How to install 6-light LNC semi-flush mount ceiling light. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Pass the wires and the ground wire through the tube. Screw the tube onto the fixture loop assembly. Pass the wires and the ground wire through the canopy. Then screw the canopy onto the tube. Attach the mounting plate to outlet box with the mounting screws. Twist plastic wire connector until wires are tightly. Wrap each connector with approved electrical tape. Raise canopy to ceiling and secure canopy in place. Tightening knobs onto the threaded nipple on mounting plate. Install the bulb. Fix the glass shade on the socket cup with screws. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.